In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a multi-column blog post feed by using the query loop block in a WordPress block theme. Let's get started. First, open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Pages, then add New Page. In order to retrieve our posts, we need to use the query loop block. Click on the plus icon and search for query loop. Now we have two options. We can either select a pattern, which is a pre-built ready-to-use template, or we can start from scratch. Let's select Start Blank. Here, we can choose a variation as our base template. I'm going to choose this one, which includes the featured image. At this point, we need to open the Document Overview panel to access the individual block settings. First, expand the Query Loop panel and select the Post Template tab. Now, we can select whether to display the posts in a single column or as a grid with multiple columns. Let's select Grid. Open the Settings panel on the right to select the number of columns to display. Let's make it 2. You can select each element of the block and repeat the process to customize to your liking. You can also add more elements to the block by opening the Options panel on any element and selecting Add Before. I'm going to include the author name after the date section. Finally, let's open the query loop block again and look at the block settings. With the Inherit Query Loop template toggled off, we now have more control over what data is displayed in our feed. For instance, we might want to change the post type to pages or alter the ordering of the posts. Let's say you want to only display a specific category of posts on this page. For example, if I were to name this page Canva Tutorials, then I can open the Filter section and under Taxonomies, select the Canva Tutorials category. Now, this page will only display the posts which have been assigned to the Canva Tutorials category, and you can add this page to a sub-navigation menu of Tutorials. Check this video to learn how to achieve this. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick WordPress tutorials like this one.